Welcome, everybody, and thank you so much for taking a look at our Rhinology Worldwide Video Textbook. We are thrilled to have you here. Please take a look, share this resource with your friends and colleagues around the world. We have amazing chapters and contributions from world experts, and we are so grateful for your time and interest.
We feel that this is going to be an important humanitarian effort. So we really want to get the best quality education out to everyone in the world, hopefully with some excellent videos. We hope you will enjoy this book in its entirety.
We're so excited to bring this inaugural Rhinology Worldwide Textbook to you. As my co-editors had said, this is the very first of its kind, which will be available internationally. We're so thankful to all the authors who contributed to this landmark contribution, and we hope that you enjoy it.